talking over the past few months about workplace bullying. How do you identify that you're being bullied in the workplace and that is what is affecting your performance at work?
I think the first thing is to start tracking what's happening to you. And I think the question you're really asking me is there a difference between being bullied and being oversensitive? So, and I think that one of the ways to do that is to actually document what is happening to you, and that you look at it very closely and say, are these things really bullying, or is this person just maybe got an abrupt manner, or is it definitely being aimed at me? And documenting over a period of time will give you that. So over a 2, 3 week, 4 week period, start writing it down, and then my suggestion is to take it to somebody you trust and say, does this look like bullying to you, or am I just being maybe a little bit sensitive? And once you've got that kind of feedback, then you can start taking it to the right management and saying, look, I'm uncomfortable in the workplace at the moment, I believe my performance is being damaged, and I have started tracking it, and this is what I've seen. So I'd like to start taking steps to see how we can address it. So I think that's the first and easiest way.
So when something is creating an emotion in you at work which is negative, to actually sit back and examine that rather than reacting in the moment, which could have very negative repercussions.
Of course, it's easier said than done.
Absolutely.
And I think this is one of the things that we've seen with workplace bullying over a long period of time, that it's very, very difficult to pin it down. It's particularly if it's somebody in a senior role to you. If it's a peer, it sometimes can be easier. Sometimes you can simply go to the person and say, I feel uncomfortable with the way you're speaking to me, and a whole lot of different conversations can take place around that. But for me, the most important thing to do is to really give yourself the opportunity to look at it objectively. So first look at it yourself objectively, and then once you've got input from other people as well, you can then start taking steps to address it.
Good, thank you.